सो गाइस, ये मैंने कुछ आपको पार्ट 1 में दिखाया था और अब हम चलते हैं पार्ट 2 की तरफ, जो कि आप लोगों के लिए काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेटिव होने वाला है। तो देखते रहिए, आप बहुत इंजॉय करेंगे। तो लेट्स गो। सो गाइस, यहाँ मेरी मिस्टर यस से मुलाकात हुई। आई मेक वीडियो, सो ही कम एंड आस्क मी कैन आई मेक योर पिक्चर। शायद वो समझे कि मैं पिक्चर बना रही हूँ। श्योर। देन मैंने उनके साथ बहुत एंजॉय किया और उन्होंने बहुत गाइड किया। मैं अभी भी उनकी थैंकफुल हूँ।
Take picture. If I tell you, then nobody knows me, na?
Yeah. What is this?
So this is the British Parliament.
Okay.
Or they call sometimes they call it Big Ben. That's the
Okay.
name of the clock, and that old tower is called Big Ben.
Big Bang.
Big Ben.
Yeah.
So anybody say Big Ben? This is the one. But the Parliament House.
Okay.
The Parliament. It's a very big place. For your history, for your interested, inside that building you have Mahatma Gandhi Hall,
Mahatma Gandhi.
also representing India, Pakistan during the when they were all in one country under British
Okay.
Empire.
This is Mahatma
Yeah.
Gandhi.
And
He's
Mahatma
woman.
Gandhi
Yeah.
standing here until today.
Ah.
So without these people, we are nobody today. Yeah, without this, not just in Gandhi, but during this time, without them, today we are not here.
मुझे इनकी बातों से लगा ये इनके बहुत बड़े फ़ैन हैं। लेकिन महात्मा गांधी अच्छे इंसान थे, लेकिन यहाँ एक चीज़ मिस है, कायदे आज़म का स्टैचू नहीं है। सो खैर, इनका तो है, यही काफ़ी है नुमाइंदगी के लिए।
After my work, my office is just the other side of the river,
Yeah.
next to the parliament. So I walk this way, I say thank you, and
Thank
I go.
So
That makes
he
me
say
happy,
thank
and,
you.
don't forget our history. At the front,
Yeah.
on the other side, when you get the picture. But this is the Westminster Abbey where King and Queen get married. Queen Mother, when she died,
Oh,
so they bring her here. They do the prayer.
all thing.
When she
It's
died.
mean
Queen
big
Elizabeth.
church.
Yes. And then from here, somebody died. Then whether getting married,
Oh.
dying, this is place. Yeah? And they will take it from here and they take it to other place. But there is another place where the Queen or now the King are staying every day.
Oh,
It's called Windsor Castle.
it's a castle.
Windsor Castle is about 30-40 kilometers from here.
ये जिस कैसल की बात कर रहे थे उसकी मैंने वीडियो तो नहीं बनाई, लेकिन मैं दिन टाइम वहाँ विजिट कर चुकी थी।
Different.
Okay.
Buckingham Palace is different. Windsor Castle is different. In front
Out
the
of
gold
yeah.
color, this is the Buckingham Palace in London.
Okay.
This is the London resident, Buckingham Palace.
So I go.
You must go and see, yeah. And then the Windsor Castle is far away outside
Oh,
London.
I see.
Windsor Castle.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I understand. So I confused because I seen in documentaries and news different white color. Ah, respect.
Today, not collecting tax, country is in trouble. So this one, you must collect tax
Okay.
so that the government have money to pay. If
Okay.
you don't collect tax, no money. My government got no money to pay. But because they don't collect money, give away. However, government say, hey, now I'm in power, but power got no money. How to do it? Maybe I take your picture. You need to take it.
I really enjoy with Yash. Yash takes so many pictures. I don't explain. The college?
During every year,
Okay.
once a year, the British Army have been fighting around the world.
Oh.
Many wars. Yeah?
Hmm.
So if you look at the top, come here, come. At the top, can you see the top? This is like a dead body.
Dead body?
You know dead body they put
Yeah,
in a
yeah,
box?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
That is on the top.
Okay.
Can you see? But
This
this is
one.
called the dead soldiers. The British soldier,
Dead soldier.
any British soldier who died for this country, they are remembered
Okay.
by the whole country. And all the king and queen will come to side, stand here. The army will march. They go all the way.
Okay.
So, you see
Acha,
on the
this
television,
way.
This is the place. In
Okay.
the television you see this.
Yeah.
This is the place. Come, I'll show you.
Okay.
This is called Samantha.
Samantha.
Defense Ministry. This is a very important defense ministry of British Defense Ministry.
The glorious dead.
The glorious dead.
Dead.
Meaning, any British army, any British soldiers who died in any war, First World War, Second World War, in Falkland, in India, in Germany, wherever, because they died, no?
Oh.
But they are remembered. So this country will remember them every year, once a year, every year. Cannot miss.
Okay.
So they will come and put all the garland here, you know. And the Queen will be here, this place. The Queen will be there,
Okay.
but they all come out from this building. They go around and they put flowers everywhere. Even Pakistan ambassador will put his flower here.
Okay.
Every country, Commonwealth
As a
country,
respect, as a.
all the country around the world,
Hmm.
all Commonwealth country,
Hmm.
the people will come put flowers here. So remember that top one, man on the top.
और यहाँ आप लोग देखते होंगे टीवी के ऊपर, उसके ऊपर वो हमेशा वो यहाँ से जो घोड़े छोड़े और वो गाड़ियाँ जा रही होती हैं और वो दिखाते हैं, वो ये वाली स्ट्रीट है.
This is the important part, most important.
Yeah.
So every year they will come and pay tribute, and the king and the queen all will be here. This area, sending here, and one by one they will go and put this one. And then the ambassador, king, queen from other country all queue up.
Coffin.
It's an empty coffin,
Ah.
no soldier, but it's a coffin of any soldier who have died anywhere in the world. British soldier.
British.
This is called the British soldier who died. And that is the number 10 Downing Street, where
Downing
the Prime
Street.
Minister is staying.
Ah.
And today one Indian boy, Indian minister, one Indian guy, small
I know
guy,
that.
he is the Prime Minister of British Prime Minister.
British Prime Minister, Indian.
Yes.
Ah.
And that is amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
You should be proud, not because of India, he's an Asian.
Asian.
British Asian, like you and me. He's the Prime Minister inside, telling the white men what to do. We're going to the pub or a place where
Yeah.
Prince William's favorite pub. It's a place to like a restaurant where you're going to have a drink. That's why they always have a drink.
I think I'm coffee just. I drink coffee.
Yeah, they serve coffee and everything in there.
Okay. Close? No close? Close?
Ah, damn, it's closed.
Close.
They closed for
Oh
this
my
thing.
god.
But this is the place. Last time when before he got married, before William, Prince William, now he's a Prince of Wales. Before he got married, he came here to drink with all the people around here. And they all had a singing and dancing.
Ah.
And I was here also, but I could not go inside, it's crowded. So I was outside and they all cheer up together. Those women who died in the war, supporting the war. And that's to tribute to the ladies and women who died.
Okay.
That's why it's in black in color.
The women of the World War II.
Yes, yeah.
Nurses?
All,
Work.
everybody. Yeah? During the
Mostly,
war, everybody dies.
Mostly females work as a doctor, nurse.
Even soldiers.
Huh?
They are
Soldier?
soldiers. Yes, yes, yes. Soldiers, they ready the guns, bullets.
Oh my
everything.
god.
Oh, yeah, yeah. And you'll have a horse. Oh, where's the horse there? There will be a horse cart over there. It's missing there, not there. Soldier and the horses. Yeah.
Soldier of the horses.
These are very important places.
Yeah. Thank God you meet me and you explain me each and everything.
This is a very most
Otherwise,
important-
I'm blank, totally blank this
No, you don't know.
area.
Yeah. Because I don't think they teach you in Pakistan all these things. They don't, you know.
No,
This is
teach, but I'm not visit this area, and I'm first time visit. So then no idea. So you explain me. Otherwise, I know that, but you explain me better. So this is easy for me
This is the most important place. Most important place.
because you live here, but I'm not living here. I'm first time. My second day. So I'm.
I've been here for last 44 years.
So then you. Because British
We come from
history,
far away.
all countries
Yes.
read in
I
books.
want to take a picture from this one. Be very important. Stand there.
Just-
Take your picture there.
Video.
Video? You want a video? Okay. Okay, stand there. St. James Park, where you'll see the king and the queen coming through.
All here's one painting.
Yes. Yeah, all in one.
Very easy.
Okay. There we go.
Click the pictures and host my vlog. Mr. Rod, take me pictures because I'm blank, totally blank. So I'm excited.
At morning time, you will see a lot of things here.
Oh, that's good.
This
What
St.
is
James Palace.
inside?
You go to the Buckingham Palace inside.
Okay,
Yeah.
celebration.
Yeah.
Horses
We have a
and
celebration like this, all in this area. Big crowd.
big
Many
crowd.
people.
Oh my God,
You
so
miss all this
many enjoy.
Yeah.
I miss these things. Why?
Wow, look at the sun at the back.
Oh.
At the back. See the color at the back?
Mm.
Yeah. Now you see. This is St. James Palace.
Oh.
In this area, they have a horse racing, and then they have a horse parade.
Oh, horse
All
parade.
the king, queen will be here. Queen will be here, and they do everything in here. They're running around.
Oh.
And today now it's off, but most other time, lot of things happens here. Main thing. You see it on television now.
Make my videos. Vlogger. Camera person. Huh?
Yeah.
You good camera person.
Place where you can go at the top. Yeah, you can see from there. You look around the whole London city of London.
मैं दौड़ने नहीं लगी अच्छा लंदन आए और आई रियली इंजॉय तो मौजूद और यहाँ पीछे देख सकते हो ठीक है और इस वक्त मेरा जो कैमरा मैन है वो है मिस्टर रॉज सो शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये मुझे मिल गए बिकॉज मुझे कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं थी मैं ऐसे ही गोल गोल घूम रही थी तो उस गोल गोल घूमने की वजह से ना तो मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था तो इन्फॉर्मेशन पढ़ना और होता है और देखना और होता है लेकिन इन्होंने मुझे बहुत कुछ बताया और अभी आप लंदन आई नज़र आ रही है और बहुत मैं इंजॉय कर रही हूँ और बहुत अच्छी लग रही है और ये इसलिए है यहाँ ये वाली बिछी हुई क्योंकि यहाँ हॉर्सेस जो हैं वो होते हैं आते हैं और यहाँ चलते हैं और यहाँ परेड होती है जैसे हमारे यहाँ आर्मी की होती है तो इस वजह से ये जो चीज़ है ना यहाँ की अच्छी है और मैं यहाँ पर इंजॉय कर रही हूँ और बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे हैं और अभी ये मुझे पैलेस भी खाने वाले हैं और हम मिल्क भी पीने वाले हैं काश ये मुझे पहले मिलते और मुझे इन्फॉर्म करते देन आई सो yeah just for memories commemorates all those members of the
Yeah, I see.
household divisions who died in the Second World War and in the service of third country since क्या 18
It's
Issa?
1980.
अच्छा okay
First
okay
World
okay 19
Oof, that's the Buckingham Palace Road, but it's far away. You can't see it. Clarence House, where the princess is staying.
सो गाइस इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं बकिंगहम पैलेस के पास वो थोड़ा दूर है तो ये इसी स्ट्रीट में हम मौजूद हैं और यू नो दैट इस पैलेस के हवाले से आप जानते हैं, टीवी में भी आप देखते होंगे और आप इंजॉय भी करते होंगे। तो मैं सुबह गई थी हसन के साथ, हसन मुझे दिखाने लेके गया था पैलेस को, बहुत खूबसूरत था और बहुत बड़ा था। लेकिन मैंने उसको कहा कि वो वाला पैलेस कहाँ है जहाँ वो घोड़े दौड़ते हैं और वो उसमें दिखाया जाता है, उसमें क्या उसका नाम क्या है, टीवी में दिखाया जाता है, वो पैलेस किधर है। लेकिन अभी मुझे पता चला कि वो तो वाइट था। तो फिर अभी ये मिस्टर राज ने कहा है कि वो पैलेस इधर है। तो हम यहाँ, ये इतना खूबसूरत स्ट्रीट है, अभी यहाँ वॉक करेंगे और देन हम वहाँ जाएंगे। वो थोड़ा फॉर है तो इसलिए हम यहाँ खड़े होके हम इसका नज़ारा कर रहे हैं। यार आप लोग सिर्फ इसका नज़ारा देखें, ये व्यू मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है। हम जैसे आप लोग इस्लामाबाद में देखते हैं पार्लियामेंट एरिया, सो सेम ये वही एरिया है लंदन का, और ये बहुत बड़ा एरिया है, पार्लियामेंट एरिया है। तो यहाँ जब भी आप आओ इस इंफॉर्मेशन को ज़रूर सुनना। यार मैं ब्लैंक थी, मुझे नहीं पता था, हम बुक्स में पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन अब मुझे प्रॉपर पता चल गया ये बिल्डिंग कौन सी और ये वाली बिल्डिंग।
This one in the middle.
ओके
This is where all Pakistani paisa. They all have many good people. With
Okay.
a lot of money.
ओके
Put inside that.
ओके
Their money finish. Their money. This is private.
ओके
Private money.
प्राइवेट मनी ओके
Isn't it?
या
In one of my meeting room. Yeah.
दिस इज योर मीटिंग रूम
Meeting room inside. This.
ओके ओके अलाउ कैमरा हाँ ओके
Camera, no. Just like this.
या अलाउ
So this is where we come for a meeting sometimes.
ओके
There is I will ask when I can go. It's open and downstairs the restaurant.
ओके
If it's open, you can have food.
ओके तो गाइस अभी हम आए कॉफ़ी पीने। मिस्टर राज ने कहा है कि कॉफ़ी पिलाता हूँ, मैं कुछ खिलाता हूँ, पर मैंने खाना नहीं है, कॉफ़ी पीनी है। बहुत सर्दी और बहुत मज़े का होटल है, जो कि इनका अपना मीटिंग रूम है। तो आई एम enjoy, I really enjoy. वो पहले तो मुझे नहीं पता था। Your office free food?
Restaurant closing, yeah. Because they close at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
So you say you go down, everything closing, what you going to do? Better than go somewhere else.
Otherwise free food?
Yeah, food.
Okay.
It's closing now, so no point going inside.
मिस्टर राज मुझे अपने ऑफिस लेकर गए थे और ऑफिस में हमने जाके फ्री का खाना खाना था, बट उन्होंने भगा दिया है कि ऑफिस क्लोज हो चुके हैं। मिस्टर राज, so much picture. Especially for picture, I just want 2, 3 pictures, but that's enough. But so many pictures today.
This is your memory.
Yeah. Last day my
Take
learner.
a video.
Okay.
Okay, now maybe
Picture बनाने आए हैं.
you want to take outside.
Okay, done. Okay.
Oh, it's cool.
Alright.
It's beautiful, huh? Okay, I'm
Thank you so much. Thank you. Your shop very attractive. Yeah. Yeah. Flowers.
Yeah, as a kid, yeah.
Strange.
We're just scared.
And we didn't know. There's a good
Raj
And
communication.
one day we came back the next week to see, they're all sleeping there with the mouth open like that.
That shit freaks me out.
That's it, man. Pack my
No,
bag.
no,
Run away.
100%. I've been thinking the same.
Then we went to another spot. The meeting is safer, huh? While we were playing around, we said, okay, safe. Then we decided to climb on the tree. So we on the tree, slugging on the mango.
I love
The
that.
water is rising. River water, right? It's rising. All of a sudden the water is about that, only that high, you can't come down.
Okay, go.
Good rates.
Oh, so we should do next week. We have our song for sale.
So guys, Mr. Raj. Oh my god. Too much.
What time they open?
It'll be
I mean, you're talking about Friday.
no, it'll be next week Wednesday and Thursday, so they open at 9.
सो गाइस मिस्टर राज की तो बातें ही खत्म नहीं हो रही थी। मैं इनको कह रही थी चले, ये फिर अंदर चले गए। ओह माय गॉड। गाइस यहाँ शाहरुख खान का एक गाना लगा हुआ था। ओह माय गॉड, मैंने तो ऊंचा ऊंचा गाना शुरू कर दिया। एक ऐसी फीलिंग्स आ रही थी, मैं बता नहीं सकती यार। ओह हो ऑल थिंग।
Oh, the busy place.
ओह माय गॉड, क्या फीलिंग्स थी गाइस। समझ आई कौन सा गाना लगा हुआ है। कोई मिल गया। Oh, Shah Rukh Khan, why? Shah Rukh Khan movie sound. Shah Rukh Khan movie sound.
Yeah. You get Bollywood, every wood.
Yeah.
And this side is a Leicester
This
Square.
song Koi Mil Gaya. I mean, because aha.
What song?
कोई मिल गया, मिल ही गया।
See?
क्या
Take a picture.
मुझको क्या हुआ है, क्यों मैं क्या पागल था पहले, या अब हो गया। निकाय और तेरे हैं बाल, तुमने बनाया है क्या अपना ये हाल। कोई मिल ही गया।
Towards the coast, right up towards the coast so we can start the show. Yes, don't be shy, don't be afraid. We need a full crowd, a lovely crowd. Yes, awesome.
Send me for it. This side, Leicester Square.
क्या?
That area called Leicester Square, this side.
Okay, go walk.
Lot of entertainment places.
Yeah. Oh. Center
ਗੱਡੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਰਚ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਗੱਡੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ
This rickshaw is very interesting.
Yeah. This
Only use Kolkata and Dhaka,
Maybe we'll try this side.
but I first time seeing this country use rickshaws,
Oh yeah.
cycle rickshaws.
These guys are simply, no?
Yeah, this cycle rickshaw not use our country Pakistan. This
Pakistan
use
they use,
Bangladesh,
Uh-huh.
Delhi, in India
Uh-huh.
use mostly. Our country use rickshaws but different rickshaws.
Different, yeah. That's a different one. It's
This
very
not
hot.
drama. I assist
Uh-huh. Drama.
dramas
Uh-huh.
in Pakistani dramas.
Okay. Studio.
Is yeah.
Uh-huh.
Production house.
Oh, very good.
Production house.
TV production.
Attached, yeah. Attached TV production.
Uh-huh.
So I assist dramas because I done my bachelor in media study.
Uh-huh. Oh, media. Okay.
Yeah, communication and media studies.
I see. Uh-huh.
So I choose this field because this
Right.
is very interesting and practically.
Practical, yeah.
Yeah.
So you
so,
enjoy doing.
I don't like theory. I'm not theory person. I just practical person. This is seafood, and I go try this side. This side.
This is
choman and mix
chicken
all and rice
Yeah.
and sauces. Okay.
Try this one or the other one.
Mix.
It's a buffet. So this is you can take anything. I think you can sit inside there. You want to stay there. You can take any dish you want.
Yeah. Okay.
You try. You want to sit inside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because inside warm. Sit.
Better here. We'll go there. Have a little bit drink, then you can go there.
Okay. Fine. Drink beer?
Please drink tea. Only tea. No. No answer.
I don't like alcoholic people.
Oh, people doing that. But this country is normal.
I know that.
Yeah. Not like falling
Senses
down.
wrong.
No.
Oh yeah, I see one time one person, especially beggars. Yes. By the way, this is not drink. This is Coca-Cola. I
Mix already. Mix with the beer, but
no.
take what you want. Where is a tray? Oh, there's a tray.
Guys, this is my plate and this is Raj plate, and I eat first time.
No, this is a prawn.
Yeah, prawns. I eat first time because I am white. And second, this shell.
Sure, this is nice. Yeah.
Shell.
This one sometimes they put it.
This is momos. This is sweet chicken. And this is, I have no idea what is this. So, little bit all things I eat. Then this is, मैं तो इसको पापड़ी कहती हूँ. And this is fruit and cold drinks.
Not albino.
So you eat, what is this?
It's a fish. It's a fish ball. Fish, made of fish. You know the fish? Can I get some?
First try. No, taste. Okay.
Fish, it's a fish. Yeah.
That's how.
Just take.
Right.
No, you can take my fish. The fish. much like a ball. Cut it.
Taste like fish.
The fish. The fish you take, they make it soft, mix with the dough, mix together, you boil it.
Oh.
Boil it, then it cut. Yes, like that.
Very little.
Sure.
Yeah, yummy. I first time eat this
Huh?
one, seafood. He asked me, you eat, must you try this one. This is
is
broccoli.
the-
You like broccoli?
Vegetable.
I like.
Sea is a very big, sea from UK to America, sea, water is from there.
Oh my god. Just.
Sea. So it's very precious.
Oh.
So I go to the airport, fighting with all the airport officers. I fight with everybody. I
Then?
said, where is my plane? There is no plane, no plane. 10 days. And then I call my uncle in Malaysia because he's he's the director for the Malaysia Airlines, Malaysia plane.
Okay.
So he called his friend, pilot, and bring Malaysia plane, come to Karachi to pick me up, rescue. When he picked me up, then fly from this plane is coming from another country, Malaysia plane, London to Kuala Lumpur. Go from London, come to Karachi, pick me up, put near the pilot, next no seat, put there, and then bring me to Malaysia.
Oh my god. You very
PIA,
trouble.
terrible, no?
Yeah. PIA one time best
Yeah,
plane,
before good.
but today no. My experience good. Qatar Airways good.
But when you came here,
December, 19 December.
19?
December.
Oh, you came in December.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What is this? Flag?
That's mustard.
Huh?
Mustard.
Okay.
Like a mustard like that. English prawn.
Huh?
This is the English prawn.
This is English prawn. Yeah. Mr. Bean eat with legs. You know that? You watch movie Mr. Bean?
Yeah, Mr. Bean.
Yeah.
But it's okay. See, when you eat food, sometimes good food, you have to use your hand, no choice. Yeah?
Thank you. You eat this? This is good.
Spring roll.
हाँ वेजिटेबल सो आज राज ने मुझे बहुत गाइड किया है और मैंने बहुत इन्जॉय किया है और मैंने बहुत कुछ एक्सप्लोर किया है इनके साथ और मैंने बहुत अच्छा खाना भी खाया है और कहते हैं ना कि पॉजिटिव कनेक्शन आपको कहीं ना कहीं मिल जाता है तो मैं वो बंदी हूँ जो हर किसी के साथ अटैच नहीं होती सो दिस पर्सन come to me and he asked me click some photo send then tour
Tour of London.
Yeah, so I'm happy and मुझे
Thank you.
शुक्रिया
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
It's a blessing to meet you. And I hope you enjoy.
Next time
Greetings to everyone in Islamabad.
yeah
I've only been there once.
and secondly he purchasing me gift
Oh, yes.
yeah next
Espinal.
say
It's called Espinal of London. Yeah, the bags.
okay
Those
let's
are
see
very powerful, very quality bags.
boy
Espinal of London.
okay let's see I see
Google it.
yeah.
I'll send you. Send you the picture.
so already मैंने इनका टाइम बहुत ले लिया
It's getting late.
see so
You need to go home safely.
yeah so अच्छा
So
लगा
don't get lost. and enjoy your stay. Relax. Life is full of surprises.
Yes.
The God's blessings always be with you.
Yeah.
This is what we are born for. See the world.
Yeah.
We are
This
born
is
to
very
see the
nice
world.
person and positive and positive vibe. Thank you so
Life
much.
is full of challenges. Take it, go for it, be brave, be strong.
Thank you so much, Raj. You say something, audience?
To audience, travel around the world, see the world. You're born to see the world. You don't take anything else back when you go back.
Yeah.
So while you're alive, with eyes, clear eyes and mind, travel, enjoy the life, live the life to the fullest,
Yeah.
and appreciate that is around you.
Yeah.
That's all it is, nothing more than that.
Okay.
We don't
Bye-bye.
own anything, but we only can see what is around us. And be happy, always. Bless you.
This is
Greetings
best.
from London.
This is best advice ever. Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much. Bye bye.